So guys, this is the chart of the Bitcoin. As you can see, we are in the change of the bearish momentum to a bullish momentum right now. In the daily, we see that there was a rejection around this level. So when we go to the past, in the recent past, we might say this is the level that got rejected, but it's not obvious yet. Let's go to the 4-hour. In the 4-hour, as you can see, we are right now in a range in the market. Although we tried to break above this level, but it was not strong enough. And we also have a lower level around this price. So right now the price is playing around 22,300 to 23,300. So it just shows 1,000 range, $1,000 of range. Now, as you can see, price made a bearish candle, but we need to break one of these levels to make sure, be more certain that price is trying to make new moves. So 1 hour is actually where I put most of my trades. To be honest with you guys, I entered a trade around this level and my stop loss was below this level and it went into the profits, but I'm still holding this. So even though now it's in the loss, it's okay because as long as this stop loss, this level is not broken, we are still okay with this trade. But in the other form, what I would say is that we should wait for this bearish level to be broken in order to enter a short position. But if you want to be more of a short-term trader, we can say, if I hide this, mm, we can say this is a level, and also this is yes, this is another level which is now broken. And when we go to the 1 minute, we see that the price was just going crazy right now. So there is a high chance that price can keep this momentum and go and test this lower level. But what we can say for now is to try to find entries on lower time frames, which is a very important point to consider most of the times most of the times you break below a level, but it's like this. You can see it's just very fast and not reliable trade. So in this case, we will see the price as it moves and try to enter the trade if it breaks this lower level. So right now, this cannot be a good trade. By the way, if it keeps below this level and tries to retest this and give us a rejection candle, then we can say that we can consider entering a bearish position, short position. But as I said before, what I'm actually waiting for now is for the price to break below this level, which is the same place that I have my stop loss on my last trade. So right now, what I can say is I will just wait for the price to show clear move for me. And other than that, this level, I cannot consider this as a level 2. So even for a even for a long position, what I would say is to wait for the price to move a little bit in this area and give us clearer highs, which we will see if they get broken or not. And after that, we can enter a long position. For now, what I'm just doing is just holding this trade and waiting for this level to be broken. But after that, if it comes and breaks this level, then I can say that we can enter on the break of this and put our, in the possible situation, we can say price breaks this level, and our stop loss I think can be around this area, because as you can see, this was actually a strong level of resistance for the price. So what I would say is, in the short position scenario, what I would say is, here would be a good place to put our stop loss. And after that, as I said in my last videos, we still look for a better correction in the market, so we can be more sure about the consistency of this move. By the way, it's a very huge move in a sense, because as you can see, it just broke some of the highs that were kind of a resistance for the price. But by the way, it's not still proved yet, and you're just looking for the short-term positions. So if I'm just going to stop the sharing, but if you guys have any questions, please share your questions in the chat box, and after that, I will stop sharing, and you can even open your